SciCuriousID presents a profound question. Can gravity truly be turned off? Imagine a world where gravity suddenly ceased to exist. What would that look like? You'd find yourself floating upwards, oceans would detach from their basins and rise into the sky, and even Earth itself might begin to fragment. But could such a catastrophic event ever truly happen? Is there a cosmic switch that controls this fundamental force? Let's delve into the physics to understand this seemingly impossible question.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
For centuries, Isaac Newton's groundbreaking work described gravity as a force, an invisible pull drawing objects together. This understanding led us to imagine gravity as something that could potentially be controlled or even manipulated. However, Albert Einstein revolutionized our perception of gravity, revealing it not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time itself. He showed that mass and energy warp the fabric of space-time, and this curvature dictates how objects move. The greater the mass, the more pronounced the curve, and consequently, the stronger the gravitational effect. So, if gravity isn't a traditional force, but rather a fundamental property of space-time, can it truly be switched off? Gravity exists because matter itself dictates how space curves. Every single particle, from the smallest atom to the largest planet, contributes to this warping. To turn off gravity, we would need to flatten space-time completely, effectively removing all curvature. However, there's a significant catch. You cannot achieve this without simultaneously erasing all mass itself. To eliminate gravity entirely, you would have to remove everything that possesses mass and energy. This includes yourself, our planet Earth, and indeed, the entire universe as we know it. Another intriguing idea is gravitational shielding, where we might block gravity's effects. Yet, every experiment conducted so far, from spinning superconductors to exotic matter studies, has yielded no evidence of such a shielding effect. Unlike magnetism or electricity, gravity cannot be cancelled out with an opposing charge. There is no such thing as anti-gravity in the fundamental equations of physics. Electric fields can cancel each other out because positive and negative charges balance, but mass only attracts. There's no negative mass that repels ordinary matter, making gravity universal, constant, and inescapable. While we can't turn off gravity, we can certainly simulate its absence. Astronauts in orbit experience weightlessness not because gravity is gone, but because they are in a continuous state of free fall around Earth. On Earth, vomit comets, parabolic flights, create short bursts of weightlessness by flying in controlled arcs. So, while we can't switch off gravity, we can cleverly trick it. Theoretical physicists are also exploring whether gravity might be an emergent force arising from deeper quantum interactions. If this proves true, we might not turn off gravity, but rather recreate it in ways we don't yet comprehend. If gravity could be turned off, even for a fleeting moment, the consequences would be catastrophic. Earth's atmosphere would escape, oceans would drift into space, and we'd lose our stable orbit around the Sun. Luckily, nature doesn't come with an off switch for its most essential fabric. So no, gravity cannot be turned off. It's not a switch to flip, but an intrinsic property of existence itself. Wherever there's mass, there's gravity. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.